at Delivery Hero Summerfest, our first summer get-together since we moved into the entire campus. The place is amazing. It's just the connecting point between all of our teams. It's the end of the summer, the first time we're back and everyone is back from vacation, sharing stories. It's a place where we work hard but also play very hard. Everyone is really enjoying themselves. So I want to keep this now short, to go back to the party and spend quality time with the team. Thank you very much everyone for coming.
It was so much fun to see everyone enjoying the Mexican culture and having fun alongside with us, and that is exactly what we wanted to do.
What I liked about tonight the most was the combination of integration, inclusiveness, and pure love to art and to each other that we showed today. Very, very happy.